Okay, so hey, what's guys? This is your friend Captain Gavas, and this is what you should accept from Apple in 2022. So, without any further ado, let's get started. Let's start off with the HomePod. Two new HomePods gonna be seen in 2022, which are rumored up. It's gonna be the HomePod Mini and the HomePod second generation. HomePod Mini will be coming with the 7 types of different colors. The color 7 came down, and a new size phone phone factor gonna be seen in the HomePod Mini. This HomePod Mini second generation would be having some huge upgrades from the interior and the exterior too, which would be in the exterior. It gonna be a more regarding the design itself. And secondly, the HomePod second generation gonna be having a huge upgrade regarding the speakers inside the covering, and it gonna be having some new upgrade regarding the glass and form factor things. Now let's talk about the second thing, which is the more and one of the greatest thing from the Apple iPads. We're gonna be seeing 3 new types of iPad 10 generation, iPad 2022, iPad Pro, which gonna be a huge upgrade. Let's start with the iPad Pro itself. iPad Pro gonna be having some huge upgrade, and many rumors are telling a new processor also gonna be implemented in the iPad Pro also. This new things also includes that it gonna be having the MagSafe support, and the new design and form factor gonna be seen up, which is a really nice thing. The iPad at it gonna be having a dual camera setup, which is a really nice, and a new setup gonna be seen and unveiled from the Apple itself. And this also gonna be having a complete screen to body ratio design, which feels really nice as per me. And if you have to talk about the iPad 10 generation, it's gonna be a budgetified iPad, and it's gonna be powered by the A14 Bionic chip, and this will be having a support for the second generation of the Apple Pencil. One of the greatest thing which is rumored up that iPad 10 generation gonna be having a new design, which is kind of an off thing because Apple won't be adopting that thing. And if you have to talk about the iPad Air, one of the greatest thing, it's gonna be having a huge design upgrade also, and one of the greatest thing also gonna be unveiled, which is the Apple Pencil third generation. Apple Pencil third generation is kind of a rumor thing which isn't confirmed yet, and it also says that it's gonna be having a Touch ID support for the Apple Pencil. Now let's talk about the Mac series. MacBook Pro, MacBook Air also gonna be seen, but one of the greatest thing which is rumored, the Mac Pro gonna be coming up. Yeah, it is kind of a really biggest rumor, I kinda say. Mac Pro would be powered by the M2 processor, the Apple's in-house chipset, but also yet gonna be a more powerful. Max M1 Max actually beated so many of the laptops that this is gonna be the next level. Also MacBook Pro, MacBook Air gonna be powered by this M2 series. There isn't any rumor regarding the specification of the M2 processor, but it is a rumor still. Apple Watch, one of the greatest fitness guy also has the Apple Watch, and I kinda say you needed that too. Just kidding. Apple Watch, there will be 2 new Apple Watches coming by the 2022 in the series. We're gonna be seeing the Apple Watch 8 series, and also small addition, Apple Watch SE gonna be seen. Yeah, Apple Watch SE was one of the greatest successor, and the second generation gonna be beating that too. It's gonna be powered by the processor taken from the A7 or the A6, which is a kinda say off thing, but it's still yet powerful. A7 Apple Watch Series 7 was one of the greatest one too, but one of the greatest thing, Apple Watch Series 8 would be adopting a kind of a squarish size design, which has been seen in the iPhone 12 series and the 13 series, which is the off thing, but more regarding the sensors and that all stuff, Apple might gonna be changing that too. So Apple Watch Series 8 is kind of off thing regarding the design, but the Series 2 of the SE we're gonna be expecting one of the game. Now let's talk about the iPhones. Yeah, iPhone SE. Let's start off with that thing. This phone gonna be coming by the 2022, and lot of the Android users gonna be shifting to the iPhone SE second generation, So no trolls regarding that thing. By the way, this phone would be having a new design, or the same design gonna be seen from the SE first generation. And one of the greatest thing gonna be thinking over here is the A15. Yep, this phone gonna be powered by the A15 chipset, which is one of the greatest thing, the latest and the greatest, which is seen in the iPhone 13 series also. Now, let's talk about the iPhone 14 series. The 14 and the 14 Max, not the Pro Max. Yeah, 14 mini gonna be killed up. Now it's time for the max sized. But it's gonna be a budgetified too. So let's see, which isn't confirmed yet. The 14 Max and the 14 gonna be having a same notch design as the 13 and the 13 minis was having, and a slim 20% smaller notch which has been seen in the 13 series. If we have to talk about the 13 Pro and the Pro Max, one of the greatest thing wanna be over here, which is regarding the notch and that all stuff. Many people are telling it gonna be having the punch hole or gonna be having a under display camera. Under display is kind of likely not to happen, but the punch hole gonna be expected. And one of the greatest design has been set up is having a kind of a roundish design on the top of the camera, which is kind of off thing regarding the Apple designs. So let's see what we're gonna be seeing. Also, one of the greatest thing, it's gonna be having under display touch ID. Not the under display fingerprint scanner, under display touch ID. A more secure and more yet powerful, we're gonna be seeing that. One of the greatest thing also, the lens gonna be covered inside the camera layout. Sorry, not the camera layout, the body layout, which is really nice thing, and no more bumps on the bed table. And we also gonna be seeing a 3nm chipset. No, but it is a rumored up. We talked about in the weekly tech updates. If you didn't watch it up, there are too many things we considered it. Links up in the icon. One of the greatest thing we gonna be also saying is the A16. We didn't know it's gonna be 4nm or 3nm or even 5nm also. And on the top of it, MagSafe 2.0 gonna be come up. Yup. Why MagSafe 2.0? MagSafe 1.0 was a nice thing, but there were some magnetic problems which sometimes fall off, and that all things happens. But this time it's gonna be more powerful and more secured. We gonna be seeing it at. One thing is that Type-C gonna be seen up, and more charges for the dust removal of the Type-C port gonna be seen up also. And yet one of the great thing, Cinematic 2.0. Yeah, Cinematic 1.0 is really nice, but it needs some of the improvements, and it shoots at the 1080p at 30 fps. We're gonna be seeing a 4K at 30 fps in the Cinematic 2.0, which is still rumored. Yeah, 8K is also gonna be expected on the iPhone 14 series completely, which is kind of an off thing. Firstly, 8K has been adopted from a lot of companies, but 8K isn't that much smooth. We have seen at 30 fps, 24 fps, and yet we hadn't seen the 8K at 60 fps from my side as for me. So we're gonna be seeing a more powerful 8K by the 2022. Let's see. And firstly, if you are an Apple geek, then iPhone 14 series are gonna be trustworthy. Many people hadn't shifted to the 13 series, and there were too many things going bad about the 13, but 14 gonna be a huge deal. So the operating system needed to be optimized, right? By the iOS 15 and smaller display notch, there were some really buggy things which has seen on the Instagram and that all stuff. OS was also kind of off, and call drop issue was one of the baddest thing ever seen. But iOS 16, and yeah, there are some rumors iPhone 6s and 6s Plus gonna be discontinued with the updates. Still gonna be having some security patches and that all stuff. But anyways, let's talk about the good things. One of the greatest thing which gonna be seen is the always on display. Many smartphones gonna be receiving that update regarding the always on display, which is one of the greatest thing and needed. But iPhones, I kind of say, don't need always on display because the battery is kind of short, and always on display takes a lot of battery. So I'm not that issue guy. And one of the greatest thing which gonna be coming is the new notification layout and that other stuff. Notification summary which came up, which is kind of an off thing, but still needed to be optimized. And new widgets gonna be seen up, new map layout and that all stuff gonna be seen up. New countries gonna be added to the maps also, and cameras, the new layout gonna be also seen. Which is kind of off thing. It's gonna be having an update regarding the iOS 11, 12 or 13, 14 series, and not the older devices later than that. And one of the greatest thing, battery heat up issues have been solved up by the Apple, and we're gonna be seeing in the iOS 16. And one nice thing which is tickling me off is the voice plans gonna be more updated, and more new things gonna be also seen in the iOS 16. But the rumors hadn't came up a lot regarding the iOS 16, so I'm telling you all this. Upcoming products from the Apple. Now let's talk about those. New innovation. Yeah, Apple AR glasses, not the VR headset. AR glasses gonna be seen. This is the rumored up thing, and I kinda say it's look really bad, and it's a 3D Max design. I kinda say of that also. Apple Car is also going to be expected by the 2023, not in 2022. So, but it wanted to be known, so I'm telling you. And one of the off thing which is rumored, and there are a lot of information coming up regarding that, the VR headset from the Apple itself. Yup, bringing up the market. Yup, Apple is leading again. Yet. Yeah, so let's talk about some of the things which are gonna be coming up over here. You will be seeing a kind of a really futuristic design, and it's gonna be having a headphones on the top, which is the rumored up design also. This is gonna be having a 12 different types of cameras at the different angles to optimize your level of viewing. And the OLED or 4K panel will be seen inside your glasses, which is gonna be a really nice thing. We are gonna be taking up a lot of information. If you have some of it, you can check. You can tell us in the comments, by the way. And if it gonna be possible, we're gonna be shooting a new video, and you might gonna be seeing it by the next week. By pressing the bell icon, you will be notified that. So Apple VR headset, Apple glasses, and that all stuff is rumored up. And one of the greatest thing, a complete portless and buttonless iPhone. It is kind of a futuristic feel, and there are some rumors that this iPhone gonna be portless. But no, Apple knows the nature thing, and European market thing, that all stuff. So yeah, gonna keep it up to over here. If you know anything regarding the Apple, let us know. We're gonna cover up in the weekly tech updates, so all can know that all. This was the Captain Garage, and this was what you should expect from the 2022 by Apple. Should you upgrade? Let us know in the comment section down below. I'll catch you in the next one. Stay safe, stay connected. Peace out.